Most people have heard olive oil's praises from medical experts. Olive oil has fat that's good for the heart. This type of healthy fat, called monounsaturated fatty acids, should be included in your diet. This fat keeps your arteries healthy, especially as you get older. However, with so many olive oil varieties, you may get confused about which one to choose. In today's video, we'll look at how olive oil benefits both your physical and emotional health. We'll learn the real story behind olive oil's packaging and distribution. Is the olive oil really pure? Or has something been done to it? First, let's start with the health benefits of olive oil. 1. Bone health. The prevention of osteoporosis is one advantage of olive oil consumption. Women are at greater risk of decreasing bone density due to menopausal and postmenopausal conditions. All women who are close to menopause should start using olive oil in their diets. 2. Helps prevent strokes. According to research, consuming olive oil can result in a 70% reduction in the incidence of strokes brought on by clogged arteries. 3. Encourages mental wellness. Reduced depression risk has been linked to olive oil consumption. Given that you've been ingesting olive oil consistently, perhaps you feel fairly good about yourself. 4. Prevention of diabetes. Olive oil has wonderful diabetes preventative properties. Olive oil has qualities that can manage blood sugar levels and lower insulin resistance. What if you've purchased some impure olive oil? Around 70% of olive oil sold isn't pure. Most producers combine olive oil with canola or a less refined variety of oil. They might flavor and color the oil chemically. Consider the following. 1. The easiest way to find the best olive oil. Is there a method to tell if you are purchasing genuine olive oil? Buying it from the proper source is the best piece of advice. Visit your local neighborhood farmer's market. Or visit a reputable gourmet oil manufacturer. 2. Perform a taste test. Anybody can carry out their own DIY experiments. Simply taste it first. It ought to be that easy. 3. The refrigerator test. Put the olive oil in the refrigerator. If it is pure, cold temperatures will cause the monounsaturated fats to become hazy. Some of them might even solidify. It is not pure if, after 2 hours in the cold refrigerator, the texture won't have changed. However, this method is understood by some unscrupulous manufacturers. They may combine just enough canola oil to pass the cold test. Here are some warning signs that olive oil could not be pure. 1. Search for the International Olive Oil Council's certification mark. A lack of this mark could be a warning sign. 2. Reputable olive makers generally choose bottles that are dark because they prevent oil from oxidizing. Plastic and clear glass, in particular, are potential signs that the olive oil you are purchasing may not be pure. 3. The harvesting date will be sealed on bottles containing pure olive oil. If you do not see this date, this may be another potential warning sign. 4. Take note of the cost. If it costs too cheap, it may essentially be vegetable oil. Lastly, only try to buy cold-pressed olive oils. The other varieties may have had chemicals added. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.